since
That's
since
it.
we switched to Nets, मैं अमन से जानना चाहूंगा कि like I think what is the starting five? What do you think? What will be the starting five since these new additions?
I think it's pretty obvious. It's going to be Kyrie Irving, James Harden, and Kevin Durant at 1, 2, 3. Like that's pretty clear. They can, go a little. They can think like little savages and put Joe Harris and Paul Millsap at 4 and 5, or they can put KD at 4 and Joe Harris at 3. However they want. But I think this is the best five they have, and they should put on the floor. But I think they have Blake Griffin also, right?
Yeah, Blake Griffin.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I mean it's a really difficult choice to make. Like I would want any five of these six to start, like with KD, James Harden, and Kyrie being there. Like you can choose any two of the rest three, and the balance is set in the team just because of KD being so tall and his defensive ability near the rim. So that gives them the perfect balance that they can literally run any lineup they want.
Okay.
Aldridge is also back, right?
Yeah.
Aldridge. बट वो तो रिटायर हो गया, वो तो बोला कि हार्ट का वो हो गया था, उसको पल्पिटेशन हुआ, वो रिटायर हो गया था.
But apparently his fitness is back. Apparently,
ये टीम्स पे नजर है, ठीक है, but at the same time Kawhi Leonard is there, right? Like he has a solid group as well. So मतलब one thing I've learned is never count Kawhi Leonard out, never counts the Spurs out. Like you don't know, they can find their inspiration from anywhere. Still they have Greg Popovich,
Speaking of Clippers, मेरा ऐसा मानना है, I don't know, लोगों को लगता है, I don't know what to say, और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर लास्ट सीजन अगर कवाई क्लॉ डाउन नहीं होता वो नी इंजरी से, I don't see Bucks winning championship, क्योंकि मुझे पर्सनल लगता है कि even though Giannis like played like a Superman, okay, in the finals, and since all of us has played some level of basketball in our college time and stuff, अगर आप आप अगर प्लेग्राउंड में घुसते हो और आपको पता चल जाता है कि आप स्किल वाइज और फिजिकल वाइज आप बाकी सबसे सुपेरियर हो आपके ओपोनेंट से, तो आप बेस्ट से भी बेस्ट खेलोगे, ठीक है. और यानिस के साथ हुआ ही, जब वो फाइनल्स में गया और वो सन्स को देखा, नो डिसरिस्पेक्ट टू CP3 and all, but nobody was a threat to him, like can stop him literally. But when it comes to Clippers, man, Kawhi Leonard could have given Giannis PTSD जो उसके साथ वो किया था 2019 में.
Yeah, but I don't know, Giannis has come, I don't think I mean, like, counting him this season, going into the season, I have a feeling he's like the second best player in the NBA, but I think he's earned that spot. Now, many people say that Kawhi is still in his mind, but I don't think so. Giannis believes that, because if you see his age and what he's and his resume at this age, I think his confidence is at an all-time high, and I don't think he's scared of Kawhi Leonard or anyone, for that matter.
But speaking of Kawhi Leonard and Giannis, दोनों का मतलब वो है ना, स्कोरिंग ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. मतलब स्कोरिंग इन द सेंस कि अवार्ड्स हो गया, अचीवमेंट्स हो गए, और ये सब पता नहीं. I mean,
Kawhi is also basically Anthony Davis from a couple of years back. Okay, he just had a better cast. If you actually see Anthony Davis, if you imagine Anthony Davis had real good. I mean, he did have good teams. He fell short a couple of times because of his injuries, but I think Anthony Davis could have done better. But if you actually see comparatively, I think Anthony Davis is just as good. Just that he always falls short because something happens to his knee, his ankle, or sometimes it's his shoulder. After every 2-3 games, he has something. He's basically Joel Embiid, but it's like his whole body is affected.
Or you could say he's a 2019 Warriors.
नहीं, मैं अमन से ये पूछने वाला था कि since he brought Clippers, what do you say about okay, I don't call him pandemic P anymore, वो playoff P बन गया था जब कवाई डाउन हुआ था. So what do you think about him, like क्या है एक्सपेक्टेड, बिकॉज ही एक्चुअली वो मेरा एक्सीड कर गया एक्सपेक्टेशन. मुझे तो लगा था ये गया ये पूरा चले जाएगा नीचे, बट ही पुल्ड द टीम ऑफ इवन व्हेन कवाई वेंट डाउन. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट हिम?
So Paul George is, like that player who is going to, keep breaking everybody's expectation, like game after game after game. And then when everybody has written him off, right? Like everybody is like, okay, just put off the game, nothing's gonna happen. Like when nobody's watching, literally, he'll go bonkers. Like right at that moment when you'll finally given up expecting from him. Like I've seen this happen a bunch of times, even in the 2014 Miami versus Pacers series, if you remember. When the
Oh,
series
that
started,
dunk, that dunk.
but nobody gave them a chance.
Yeah.
Let 7
I
years,
thought he was going to
nobody
be
thought
LeBron.
that-
हाँ, he was
Yeah.
coming LeBron. सबको यही सोच के
Yeah.
बैठा था pre knee injury, और वो नी पूरा
Yeah.
निकल आया था भाई, ऐसा नहीं कि
वो
थोड़ा
shin
It went
उसका
off.
bone
Eesh.
broke out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
तो वही हाँ
But
क्या
if
बोल
you
रहा था?
even remember that logo shot, like he did that way before
Yeah.
Stephen Curry became big,
Yeah.
right? That logo shot where he
Yeah.
asked everybody.
हाँ,
Where he
हाँ,
had told everyone to stop.
हाँ ऐसे रुक जा मुझे याद है वो ऐसे ड्रिबल करके आता है सब लोग ऐसे सब लोग रुक जाते हैं, ओपोनेंट भी रुक जाता है और उसका टीम वाले भी रुक जाते हैं और सब बोलते हैं कुछ करेगा लौंडा, और वो खड़े मार देता है.
I remember that.
So Paul George has a lot of potential in him, but यही है कि the biggest issue he has is consistency.
Mhm.
Like
Yeah.
if you compare him when he is hot, right? Like when he is in very great form, he can be like a top 5, top 7 player in the league. But if you add in the consistency factor as well, then he drops out of the top 10. At least he doesn't make my top 10.
Mhm.
I think the big problem with Paul George is I think his intangibles are there. His intangibles aren't as good as Kawhi's. Maybe his quality as a player and his drive is more than Kawhi Leonard. I feel many people think Kawhi has a good drive, but I don't think Kawhi has great drive. I think
Kawhi
he's
has
just too
no
talented.
drive. Kawhi has hard drive. He has no drive.
Yeah, exactly. He's a fucking robot. Like
Yeah.
to be honest, Kawhi is like a robot. It's like somebody's controlling him using a
उसको
PlayStation
मतलब
controller.
नहीं है, उसको मतलब नहीं है, उसको पैसा मिल रहा है, चैंपियनशिप जीतेगा, बस घर जाएगा, सोएगा.
Yeah.
उसको कोई
I have a
Drake के
feeling
वीडियो
that
में
हाँ
ड्रेक के वीडियो में नाच रहा है वो. व्हाट वाज दैट? वो अरे पीके मूवी में वो देखा है, आमिर खान looks at Sanjay Dutt and he's trying to figure out how he's dancing. That is what Drake was doing. That what are these guys doing? Like it was so hilarious, so unexpected.
I have a feeling we are never going to see him once he's off the NBA. But then these Drake videos give me hope that probably he'll be back somewhere like this.
वो
We'll be
पॉप कल्चर
thinking,
का
oh, we've seen him.
हिस्सा नहीं बनना चाहता. That guy don't want to be a part of pop culture. Even though
But he's in LA, so
Yeah.
he'll probably be there somewhere.
बंदा I don't know.
ड्रेक का क्या पावर है यार? मतलब वो LeBron James broke his NBA क्या quarantine. Why he wanted to go promote some shoes with Drake, right?
पता नहीं
Or
यार.
some song.
Yeah,
or
something like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Something.
So like Drake has some like say with these guys. He's like the Karan Johar
Yeah.
of NBA.
NBA.
अरे वो तो रिच पॉल है ब्रो, वो तो रिच पॉल है. तू क्या बोल रहा है?
हाँ, actually Rich Paul है. Correct.
Rich Paul.
ये
He's in
yeah.
everyone's pocket. Rich Paul is
Yeah.
in everyone's pocket.
ए उसको
Rich
शेप
Paul
में
is-
क्या है यार? यार क्या बोल रहा था यार, मैं भूल गया यार. ये क्या मस्त एनालॉजी दे रहा हूँ बैठ के इधर.
I had a very like peculiar thought. Like instead of Westbrook, they should have tried hard to get the entire banana boat team. Like imagine they added CP3.
Oh.
वो मैं तेरे को
So-
बोला था ना, लेकर्स का टीम वो नरेगा है. लेब्रॉन जेम्स नरेगा चलाता है वो.
I don't think they could have given CP3 a decent contract.
Yeah, that's the issue. Like they would
That's
have
the issue.
wanted him for half what the Suns are paying.
Yeah.
Probably less than
Yeah.
half.
Less than half. And money matters.
Yeah. So CP3 definitely matters.
tell that to Damian Lillard, man. Kudos to that guy.
No.
क्या पैसे छाप रहा है भाई साहब. अबे वो छोड़, उससे बड़ा लेवल.
Nobody's making money like Steph, but
What? No. I'm
Yeah.
telling you, somebody's making next level money than Steph. John Wall, वो 3 साल से
John
बंदा
Wall.
खेला नहीं है, वो 40 फिगर
I-
कमा रहा है.
Okay, we'll move forward. Let's not talk about John Wall.
everyone had compared him to Russell Westbrook at the starting of the season.
I'll
After that, I didn't hear from him.
I'll tell you who needs to take lessons from Russell Westbrook. Okay, and through this I will switch the team also. एक बंदा जिसने लास्ट 4 प्लेऑफ जो मैचेस खेले थे, फोर्थ क्वार्टर में उस बंदे ने एक शॉट भी अटेम्प्ट नहीं किया. ही नीड्स टू टेक लेसन फ्रॉम रसेल वेस्टब्रुक. मतलब दोनों पोलर ऑपोजिट है, ठीक है. एक बंदा के
Can I guess? Can I guess? Can I guess? Let's try to guess. I think मतलब उसका इनिशियल्स ना उसका शूटिंग स्किल्स को एक्सप्लेन करता है.
हाँ.
BS.
ये क्या है वो बंदा
Okay.
है. एक वेस्टब्रुक था, ठीक है, जो जिसके टीम में एक टाइम को केडी था. वो बोला आग लगाने गया, केडी लास्ट शॉट में मारूंगा, ठीक है. इधर
Last shot.
हाँ.
The whole quarter he used to shoot.
होल फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ऑफ ऑफेंस मैं. केडी क्या तेल लेने, मैं इसीलिए तो केडी छोड़ के गया ना.
I'll tell you when he used to give the ball to KD. I think he used to give the ball to KD when 3 seconds were remaining on the clock. Okay, and he had no option.
लाइक जैसे बेन सिमंस का ना प्रॉब्लम मुझे लगता है कि ऑलमोस्ट वैसा ही है, मैं समझ रहे हो ना, वही शूटिंग का प्रॉब्लम है. बेन वेस्टब्रुक को भी पहले शूटिंग का इशू था, लेकिन वो धीरे धीरे स्टिल व्हेन केडी वाज देयर विद हिम, और वो लोग जब कॉन्फ्रेंस वगैरह तक जा रहे थे, वो टाइम को ही डेवलप्ड शॉट. वो फुल स्पीड दौड़ के आएगा और वो फ्री थ्रो के सामने जंप शॉट मारेगा. ही परफेक्टेड इट एट दैट टाइम. तो समथिंग ही केम आउट ऑफ इट, राइट, समथिंग ही मेड आउट. बेन सिमंस मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या कर रहा है वो बंदा भाई.
I think Westbrook was, if you see his initial part of his career, he was not a bad shooter from like 10 to 12 feet
The
range.
elbows.
I think
Yeah,
yeah, the elbow range. Yeah,
So I think he was decent from there, like around 40% plus he was from that range. Now I think he's like close to 30%, or even less than that probably. So I think how his shooting became bad was he started taking threes.
okay.
I don't call
Yeah,
it threes.
now-
मैं उसको ब्रिक बोलता हूँ, ठीक है. वो 3
Yeah.
नहीं है.
So, so yeah, you know, you should learn this from players like Jimmy Butler and Dwayne Wade, that you should not go very, very or not great. Okay, you should be very you exactly are. Okay, so even Giannis this season, he started attempting those shots which he can make. Okay, he just has to find his spots. Same thing Westbrook also. If he wants to win this season anything, he has to just go on finding his spot. Okay, that's the only thing.
I actually want to make a couple of points. So
Go ahead.
one thing is very consistent with NBA players, that when they grow, like when they put on a lot of muscle in their upper body, right, in the chest and the biceps area, they become poor shooters.
Yes.
You can see this consistently with a lot of guys in the NBA. Okay, so I think that is
Iguodala
also one
best
factor.
example है.
Yeah. So that is no, it's Giannis also. Okay, Westbrook was a great shooter. It affected his shooting when he buffed up. In fact, even LeBron used to like go lights out sometimes when he was a little skinnier.
Yeah.
Like if you remember earlier
In
seasons.
Miami, I think in Miami he was really good. Then
No,
I think
not in
first
Miami. Cleveland, remember वो कोई एक playoff
Yeah.
होता है, last 16 points अकेले मारता है भाई.
25 against Detroit
that is
Pistons.
2007.
25 points.
हाँ,
Yeah,
25.
Yeah,
My bad.
2007.
2007.
25.
Yeah.
No, that time that LeBron was not that bulky. Then he went to Miami. वो थोड़ा और bulky हो गया. But then
I
he
know.
had,
I think his real bulk came in his first season back when he was with Cavs in 2015.
Cavs, yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
exactly.
then so I think that was his prime, and he mostly used to be in the 1 feet to 3 feet range from the basket. That was his best thing. I think Giannis also has a lot of problems with his jump shot, is because I don't know, something is seriously wrong. I mean, Westbrook and all mechanic is still the same of shooting. His shooting mechanics are still the same. Now, I mean, he doesn't get his shot selection properly, but Giannis' his shot selection had gone bad.
His shooting technique has gone. I mean, like you not recognize that he's the same guy 6 years back. He used to shoot with a proper shooting motion, and now I don't know what he does. I don't know, his hands go weird, like something like this. I don't know, like.
If I may, the only guy I know which is upper body strong wise and has like really good shooting form, I don't know, but shooting percentage good wise, it is the Claw. Kawhi Leonard. उसका भाई वो बंदे का है. He can push through people and stuff, get inside, and at the same time वो तिग्गा विग्गा भी अच्छा मार लेता है बंदा.
अरे बट उसको एम नहीं करना पड़ता है, वो कंट्रोलर का काम है.
हाथ इतने बड़े हैं, वो ऐसे करके
No, no,
देखा।
even that's the funny thing.
हाँ,
Most of the people who have big hands, right?
हाँ.
They struggle at the free throw line and all.
That is
They
why
have
Kawhi is
players
great,
that
right?
shoot.
That why Kawhi is
Yeah.
great. That is why. हाँ, so
I've
coming.
only seen MJ and Kawhi do that
हाँ,
with big hands, shoot proper free throws.
हाँ,
But that's
No, but even
difficult.
MJ was not that great with long distance shooting. He
हाँ,
had
long.
his
Yeah.
range.
हाँ.
No, no, I'm talking about free throws
Free throws,
specifically.
free throws
Oh,
बोल
okay,
रहे.
free throw
I,
specifically. Yeah.
I think a lot of players who can't shoot, if they just knew how to shoot free throws, they'd be great. They'd be
That is
like
all
really
they
great.
need. That is all
Iguodala
they
has
need.
had that issue.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Even Iguodala, I think with big biceps, right? Like
वो
you cannot
इशू
use
नहीं
your
है
elbows
भाई,
straight enough.
वो इशू कैसे हो गया? बंदे ने खुद खा पी के बनाया है वो, उसका नेचुरल। बेन सिमंस
नहीं,
का
but-
मेंटल है, समझ रहा है? लाइक क्लच टाइम है, उसके
हाँ,
हाथ में
Ben
बॉल है,
Simmons is mental.
हाथ में बॉल है, वो डंक कर सकता है बंदे पे, उसको छोड़ के पीछे वाले बंदे को करता है, एंड देन ही गेट फाउल्ड। आई एम लाइक ब्रो, मतलब वो अपना फोटे छोड़, द सेम थिंग यानिस डज, ओके, इन इफ यू गो सी द वन ऑफ द प्लेऑफ्स, आई थिंक इट वाज द सेकंड लास्ट प्लेऑफ मैच अगेंस्ट द नेट्स, यानिस को रिंग के अंदर बॉल मिलता है, ठीक है, ही गोज टू ग्रैब इट और उसके वो फंबल हो जाता है, उसका हाथ से गिर जाता है, क्योंकि उसको भी वो हैक कर रहे थे तभी, तो ही वाज हैविंग ट्रबल, ही वाज हैविंग फ्री थ्रो ट्रबल बिफोर ही मेट सन्स। मैं पहले आपको वही बोला था ना कि आप जब प्लेग्राउंड में जाते हो और आपको पता चलता है आप सुपेरियर हो बाकी सबसे, तो आपका ओवरऑल गेम अच्छा हो जाता है, एंड दैट हैपेंड विद यानिस, आई बिलीव, इन द फाइनल्स। बट हैविंग सेड दैट, आई वांट टू ब्रिंग बैक द कन्वर्सेशन टू बेन सिमंस। Apparently, मुझे नहीं पता, but Ben Simmons rumor है कि he wants to trade. He wants a trade.
Isn't he paying a lot of fine or something currently for
don't
not showing up to camp or something?
पता नहीं.
Yeah,
$220,000 is the rumor I heard
Yeah.
per camp.
I
वो
think
बंदा
per
भी
session.
40 मिलियन
On
कमा
Twitter.
रहा है. वो बंदा भी 40 मिलियन कमा रहा है साल का, and he can't shoot for peanuts, dude. He can't 40 मिलियन.
नहीं, but Ben Simmons का problem ये है ना, even if you get his psyche correct, can either of you put your hand on your heart and honestly tell me, he's a right-handed shooter or left-handed?
भाई
Like,
वो उसका
No.
कोच नहीं बता पा रहा, वो कोच नहीं बोल पा रहा, मैं क्या बोलूंगा.
like Ben Simmons needs to find his mojo again. Like he can do something unique with the size he has and the speed he has. He needs to find that mojo again, like, and not fall into this social media thing where people criticize and gets to your head and you try to prove those guys wrong.
You can call me,
Yeah.
you can call me, क्या कहते हैं वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको यार, hater or whatever, but I believe यार Ben Simmons के साथ और इसके कुछ प्लेयर्स के साथ हुआ ना, तो I believe that Kardashian thing is maybe real, dude. I don't know.
It's working.
the
It's working
cake,
great for
yeah.
Devin Booker.
There are exceptions to every law.
He had 2 40-point games, 240-point final games with L's. Okay, so maybe some symptoms are there, but
But हारा ना बंदा लास्ट में, कौन सा जीत गया. हाँ अमन क्या बोल रहा था भाई तू? Sorry.
यही the K curse is real, भाई. Nobody is protected from it. Like
भाई ब्लेक ग्रिफिन का मैं
Devin
मिक्सटेप
Booker-
देखता था, मेरे को लगता था ये नेक्स्ट लेब्रॉन जेम्स है, ठीक है. मुझे this shows how far I have grown in as a NBA fan. ठीक है. फिर वो बंदा और कौन भाई, एक बंदा तो कैंडी खा के मर गया. वो बंदे का नाम क्या है? वो लमार ओडम भाई. वो बंदा
हाँ.
तो वो बंदा
those were drugs, bro.
exactly ये
नहीं,
पोगो पे देखा
drugs-
क्या न्यूज़?
नहीं ड्रग्स खा के वो हॉस्पिटल पहुंचा. क्या बोला सुना ही नहीं.
मतलब न्यूज़ पोगो पे देखा क्या कि कैंडी खा के मारा है? अच्छा मरा नहीं, वैसे बच गया वो.
नहीं,
बच
he's
गया
alive.
बट नो कैंडी खा के उसका ओवरवेट का इशू हुआ, उसका वेट का भी इशू था ना व्हेन ही वाज प्लेइंग.
अच्छा।
तो वो कैंडी 24 घंटा कैंडी चबाता था वो, तो होगा ही.
तो अभी ड्रग्स करेगा तो भूख लगेगी.
हाँ तो नेक्स्ट कैंडी के बाद ड्रग्स ही है भाई, और कुछ नहीं है. No,
What candies are you talking about?
क्या पता? आई थिंक
What
infused
candies?
होगा वो candy.
anyways
Edibles होंगे.
let's come back to the topic. Ben Simmons को
ये बात आया है ना एक बार, वो NBA के कुछ प्लेयर्स ने पता है बोला है that they smoke pot and all off season में.
Oh yeah, they do. I think.
they do smoke.
Matt
I don't have
Barnes
issues. पर वो जो उसके साथ जो वो नाटक करते हैं ना, अपना ये क्या नाम है वो,
Bring in the ruckus like सब बने बैठे यहाँ भगवान, क्योंकि बनना नहीं है किसी को इंसान, कूद कूद के करते खुद के गुणगान, फैंस इनके सारे बंद कर लो कान।